start the Photoshop beginner lessons for graphic designing. So the Photoshop version that we are going to use today is the 2021 version. Adobe Photoshop 2021. So I will show you how to download some. I'll give you some of the links in the coming videos so that you can download the app and follow suit. So now we've opened our Photoshop. So this is the interface of the Photoshop 2021 version. This is the interface. When you open it afresh, this is the interface. So when you come to the top here, you see File, Edit, Image, Layer, Type, Select, Filter, 3D View, Plugins, Window, then Help. So today we are going to learn only about the graphic designing aspect. So I'll be showing you the tools which are important in graphic designing. So when it opens like this, you have to create a working space, like a working or a drawing space. And before you can create that one, you have to locate this panel, create new, or you can come to File and New. Anyone will do. So let's create a new working space. So let's go for our A4. So my computer is slowing. Alright. So this is our working space. So we've created a new working space, a new project. So let's come here to the tools. So the first tool, as you can see from here, is the Move tool. So what the Move tool does is that let's type something here so that I can demonstrate the Move tool to you. So we are going to use the Type tool to demonstrate how the Move tool is being used. Okay, so let's change the color to something black so that it can be visible to us. So let's type Photoshop. Alright. So what the Move tool does is that it helps you in moving any object to anywhere on your working space. So it also helps you in selecting your objects, like your layers. It helps you to select your layers and move them anywhere around your working space. So that's the function of the Move tool. And from the Move tool, let's come to the Marker tools. So the Marker tools, we have rectangular Marker tool, single row, but the one that we use more is the rectangular Marker tool. That one too is using selection. So let me demonstrate to you how this is used. So let's say I want to move a portion of the word that I've typed here, the Photoshop that I've typed here, and before I can edit this test, I have to rasterize the layer. So let me duplicate the Photoshop app and right click here, locate, rasterize. Okay, so we've rasterized our layer. So let's use the Marker tool, the rectangular Marker tool, to select something here. So we've selected a shop, and after selecting, we'll be using the Move tool, as I said earlier, to move what we've selected to anywhere on our working space. So let's say we want to bring it here. So one function of the Move tool is that it can help you to resize your objects. Yes, resize your objects, rotate them. Yes, so anything about moving, rotating and everything. Yes, moving them anywhere. You can use the move tool and use the marker tool for the selection. Yes, so let's say I want to select something here again, then can use the selection tool. Yes, object selection tool. So it also helps you to select your subjects or your objects on your working space. So let's say I want to select this black. Where is here the Photoshop black? Yes. Yeah. So with the selection tool, we have plus and minus, the quick selection tool. So the plus helps you to select and the minus deselects. So it's like an inversion. Yeah. So let's say I want to select this black. Yes, you have to use the selection tool for it. You have so many tools for selection. So as time goes on, we'll be learning about each of them. So this is the selection tool. The function of the selection tool is it helps you to select subjects. Yes, and I know most of us know about the crop tool. So let's say I want to resize my working background or the working space. I can use the crop tool. Yeah, you see this one, it has cropped my selection. So let me deselect first. Okay, so to deselect a subject which will be selected already, you have to press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Yes, so we've deselected our objects. So let's use the crop tool. Let's say we want a square working space. After selecting the crop tool, you have to come here and choose 1:1. You can choose 4:5. So this size is better for Instagram postings. Yes, so the size suits Instagram postings and flyers. So let's select 1:1 square. So we've selected 1:1 square. Yes. So I'll move to bring it here. Alright. So now we've talked about the move to, the marker tool, the selection tool, and the crop tool. So I left this one out, which is the lasso tool. Yes, it is also used for selection. Yes, something like this. Then it will select based on the path that you've drawn. Yes. So as it see, we can use the move tool to move our selection around here. So let's say the move tool, the marker tool, the lasso tool, and the quick selection tool, they all have something in common. Yes, they are all used for selection and movement. Yes, and the crop tool helps you to resize your working space or your working background. So I think we'll be done for now. This is the part 1. We'll continue later. Thank you very much. And subscribe. Yes, subscribe.